Hello, everyone. Have you ever noticed how some people are absolutely killing it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts? They're using what seems to be user-generated content from podcasts and interviews, and their views are through the roof. Take a look at this graph. See that upward trend? That's the power of short-form content on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. It's a goldmine of engagement. Now let's take a look at some examples. Here are a few TikToks and YouTube Shorts that have gone viral. Notice how they're using clips from podcasts and interviews? It's user-generated content, but it's been repurposed into something new and engaging. Now, what if I told you that I've been doing the same thing? And not just that, but I've been making serious money from affiliate sales thanks to these short videos. Here's a peek at my earnings graph. See those spikes? That's the result of using short-form content to promote affiliate products. It's a game changer. You're probably wondering, how is that possible? How can you make money from short videos on TikTok and YouTube? Well, that's the secret I'm going to reveal in this video. So stay tuned because you're about to learn how to skyrocket your views, engagement, and earnings using nothing more than user-generated content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Introduction to the strategy and latte social. All right, now that you've heard about the incredible success stories and seen my own journey, you're probably wondering, how can I replicate this success? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you next. The secret weapon we've been using is a fantastic tool called Latte Social. Now you might be thinking, what's Latte Social? Let me explain. Latte Social is an AI-powered tool that helps us transform long videos into engaging short clips. It's like having a personal video editor, but faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. So how does this help us make money? Well, these short, engaging clips are perfect for promoting affiliate products on social media. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills. Explaining how Latte Social works. Now let's dive into how Latte Social works. It's super simple, even for beginners. First, you upload your video to Latte Social. This could be a product review, a tutorial, or any video content related to your affiliate product. Once you've uploaded your video, Latte Social's AI gets to work. It selects the most engaging parts of your video, adds subtitles, and reformats it into a vertical format perfect for social media. And voila! In no time, you have a short, engaging clip ready to share on your social media platforms. Now imagine doing this for multiple affiliate products across multiple social media platforms. That's a whole lot of potential income, right? Remember, the key to a good video is not just what you say, but how you say it. Keep your tone enthusiastic and engaging, and don't forget to speak clearly and confidently. Good luck with your video. The strategy, targeting the right audience. All right, folks, today we're going to talk about the first step to success in affiliate marketing, targeting the right audience. Let's say we're promoting a testosterone booster. Who would be interested in this product? Our primary target audience would be men over 45 who are interested in health and wellness. But can we narrow it down further? Can we find more specific groups within this audience? Let's use ChatGPT to help us out. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can generate ideas based on a prompt. So let's ask it, who are the potential target audiences for a testosterone booster product? And here we go! ChatGPT has given us a list of potential target audiences. Let's take a look. We have men over 45 who are fitness enthusiasts, men experiencing low energy levels, men interested in bodybuilding, men seeking to improve their mood and mental health, and so on. Now let's rank these audiences from 1 to 10, with 1 being the most relevant and 10 being the least relevant. And there you have it. We've used ChatGPT to identify and rank our potential target audiences. This will help us tailor our content and marketing strategy to reach the right people. Remember, the key to successful marketing is understanding your audience. And with tools like ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to gain insights into who your audience is and what they need. Creating a YouTube Shorts channel. All right, let's start by creating a YouTube Shorts channel. This is a simple process, but it's crucial for our strategy. First, head over to YouTube. Click on your profile picture at the top right and select Create a Channel. Now, you'll want to give your channel a catchy name that's related to your product or niche. This is where ChatGPT can help us. Let's ask it to generate some channel name ideas for a testosterone booster product. We just type, generate a YouTube channel name for a product promoting testosterone boosters. Keep it short, concise, and catchy. Great, now that we have our channel name, let's create a banner for our channel. Canva is a fantastic tool for this. It's free, and it has tons of templates to choose from. And there we have it. Our YouTube Shorts channel is ready to go. Now let's move on to TikTok. Creating a TikTok channel. Creating a TikTok channel is just as easy. First, download the TikTok app on your phone and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, click on the Me tab at the bottom right to create your profile. Again, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a catchy username that's related to our product. And that's it. We now have a TikTok channel ready to share engaging clips and promote our affiliate product. Remember, the key to a good video is not just what you say, but how you say it. Keep your tone enthusiastic and engaging, and don't forget to speak clearly and confidently. Good luck with your video. Finding user-generated content. Now let's find some user-generated content. Head over to YouTube and type in keywords related to your product. For example, you might search for effects of low testosterone in men over 45 or benefits of boosting testosterone. Look for podcasts or interviews where experts discuss these topics. These videos are a goldmine of information that you can use to create your short clips. Using ChatGPT to generate keywords. If you're struggling to come up with keywords, you can use AI to help you. ChatGPT is a powerful AI that can generate keywords based on your product. Just type in a prompt like, "Generate keywords for a testosterone booster product," and let the AI do the work. Scheduling content with Loomly. Now that we have our content ready, it's time to schedule it. This is where Loomly comes in. Loomly is a social media scheduling tool that will help us automate the content publishing process. First, you'll need to sign up for a Loomly account. They offer a free trial so you can try it out without any commitment. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you can manage all your social media calendars. For each brand, client, project, or location that you manage, you'll create a separate calendar. Let's create a new calendar. Click on the Create New Calendar button and follow the steps. You'll need to connect your social media accounts to your calendar. Loomly allows you to connect one account of each platform per calendar. Now let's schedule some content. Click on the Create Post button and follow the steps in the post builder. You'll set the post details, define the content, fine-tune each channel, and finally, create the post. Loomly also offers different views of your calendar so you can easily plan and collaborate on your content. You can switch between List View, Calendar View, Post View, and Post Ideas View. And that's it! With Loomly, you can schedule all your content in advance, saving you time and ensuring consistent posting. Finding affiliate products. Now let's find some affiliate products. One simple way is to search for your product followed by the word affiliate on Google. For example, you could search for Jasper AI affiliate. As you can see, our search has returned a number of results. These are all potential affiliate programs that we could join. It's always a good idea to research each program and choose the one that offers the best commission rates and terms. Another great way to find affiliate products is to use affiliate marketing websites. Some popular options include ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates. These sites host a wide variety of products, so you're sure to find something that fits your niche. Let's take a look at ClickBank. After signing up for an account, you can browse through their marketplace to find products. You can filter by category, commission rate, and other criteria to find the perfect product. Once you've found a product you like, all you have to do is click Promote to get your affiliate link. This is the link you'll share in your TikToks and YouTube Shorts. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. And there you have it. That's how you find affiliate products. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is promoting products that are relevant and valuable to your audience. So choose your products wisely. Good luck with your strategy.